Good morning, friends. Let me share again today few important thing, and I'm excited. And I will talk about happiness. Right? Ultimate. There is no way, as I said, to happiness. Rather, happiness is the way. So, what is happiness? To make feel you lighter, you have to be happy, and if you want to fly, you have to make happy. In life, happiness is ultimate. That is giving you peace of mind and all good qualities you have to earn. What is that? Again, some commitment I would like to share with you. Most people will be in the exact some place next year as they are today. Most people will be remain the same way, and I suggest you don't be a most people. Don't be average, don't be most people, because most people are not going, they have not no definiteness purpose to change their life, and they are not going to change, they will remain as average. But we are not belong to that most people, right? We have to make ourselves separate by deliberately doing few things. Deliberately, we need to be genuinely authentic people. Genuinely authentic. What is that? I'm going to discuss with you. Maybe you are always try to be being enough more than anybody else. Let me share. You will never be enough if you constantly compare yourselves with others. You will never be enough. Because why? Comparison is the ultimate thief of happiness. Comparison is the ultimate thief of happiness. If you are comparing with yourselves, with somebody else, you will be always in the competition. You will lose peace of mind and happiness. And that is the thief. The quality comparison is the thief of happiness. You will never be enough. Then you have to accept that, because you can compare. Now, if you compare with yourself only, the comparison is the ultimate thief of happiness. The reason it is because there will always be someone who has more than you. कोई ना कोई इस दुनिया में कोई ना कोई रहता है. तो what is the most important thing? अगर compete करना ही है, you compete it yourself. You are the right persons to compete all the time. How you can compete? By becoming the better person than yesterday. The yesterday, कल जो person थे, उसका साथ में compete करिए to become more than today and grow all the time. Learning is the very important thing. If you go in the church, that you will see someone there more healthy than yourself, more wealthy than yourself, more handsome than yourself, having more car, having big house than yourself. The world is full of these things, and you maybe having bigger, job, maybe all over you will find it. And that is never ending, and that is the main reason you are just making unhappy yourself all that time. Comparing with somebody else, having jealousy, you will have jealous because somebody is there. So only God has given some quality, and we have some purpose with ourselves. That is the first thing we need to learn. तो खुद को कंपेयर करना छोड़ दीजिए. Then that is the main. Then you will have a perfect mind. You creative mind. If you want to fly, you have to make light a creative mind. आपको through that creative mind, you will create yourself. That is the ultimate thing. और अगर most people, average people बनना चाहते हो, तो you can follow others. You can be in the rat race. You will be a rat to have in the rat race. Right? We have decided not to be there in the rat race. So what is that? व्हाट इज द पर्पस? ये आपको देखिए, एक एस्टिमेट बनाइए विथ योर सेल्फ दैट what is your negative point, what is your positive mind, how you can keep yourself positive, happy, and you can do a lot. Let me do a favor, I would say. आपको wherever you are, accept yourself. आप जैसे भी हो, या you are poor, accept. You have no money, accept. You have no qualification, accept. That is the thing first, you accept. But do you have a purpose, bigger purpose to build, to grow, to do something? Do you have a burning desire, fighting attitude? कुछ तो करेंगे, then you are right person. You have a dream to have all the things. You deserve it. कोई लेके नहीं आया है ना कहीं से भी. All everything is available here. Only we need to quality. We need to have some law of attractions. How we can attract. We need to become magnet people. Through that we have program. Let me tell you, आप जैसे हो ऐसे आदमी ढूंढना है. It's good. आप जैसे हो, like attract likes is one way good. आप जैसे हो, but the thing is that कुछ भी नहीं होने से भी honesty, integrity, love, अच्छा better person, and you focus on being the good human being, to do the right thing, then you will get that mind. So let us be united. You must have a purpose that let us be united and do small thing. Amway has got that, plan, the purpose. You go and find it. Changing buying habit, always changing. मतलब आपको एक होके आप जैसा आदमी, लेकिन आप जैसा आदमी को अगर आप एक नहीं कर सकते हो, यूनाइटेड नहीं कर सकते हो, then you cannot do anything. वो अच्छा लगे, खराब लगे, ये लगे. Why? Meeting people is so excited thing. लोगों से मिलना, you develop that quality and you develop that power, and we have lots of tools. We have lots of tools and successful people who will show you the path. आपको एक ड्रीम होना चाहिए, not एक burning desire. What is the burning desire? First be committed. I am not going to stay in this situation and I want to do something. That is the little thing all the time. Small thing. आपको बहुत कुछ बनने के लिए आपको small thing करना है, and learn to be united, learn to be at peace with yourself, and keep a healthy mind. अब हम लोग का अभी कोरोना वायरस में आया है, वी आर सो केयर, सैनिटाइजिंग करते हैं, तो हाथ धुलाई करते हैं, बट द इनसाइड हम लोग को वायरस है. द नेगेटिव थिंकिंग इज द सबसे हार्मफुल वायरस है. What you are taking care of that? You want to save yourself from this virus, but all the time you are carrying virus within yourself. उसको निकालिए, and that your purpose. No, आप रहने को दिए है. You are giving because you are enjoying with negative things. वो बहुत मजा लगता है ना, तो थिंक बैड अबाउट समबडी एल्स, दूसरों को बारे में जलन कभी कभी अच्छा लगता है. लाइक विद दैट हम जैसे कुछ अनवांटेड थिंग लेके अच्छा लगता है, दैट वे जलन होके. तो दिस इज द थिंग. ये तो है. बट आपका अंदर में अच्छा चीज, इट्स डेलिबरेट पर्पसफुल थिंग. लेट एंटर द गुड थिंग and it's all available for you. The whole world is there, good world, whole world. हम हमेशा बोलता है it's an open university, you learn it from that, but the take step to change your life and your family, your loved one. You must have that. I am doing something. Why you are expecting somebody will come and help you out, and you are expecting to do something by government or your society or your parents? No, it's wrong. Government or nobody can help you out. Even no, God is not going to help you out, because what? You are not ready to help you. God help them who help themselves. And whatever you can conceive, if you believe, you can achieve. That's the thing. I will keep on sharing. This is the simple step. Have a design, have a desire, and design your life. Just blueprint आप बना सकते हो. That is the things you need to learn, and you have all the power. Approve it. Why? Because you are representing God. You are the creation of God, and just keep in mind. आपको सीखना है सोच विचार में, थॉट प्रोसेस, थिंकिंग गुड्स and impeccable with your word, and do which we love to do. आपको जो करके मजा आता है, and that is helping people, to be along with people. खुद को आदमी के साथ में प्यार. This is the people is the ultimate. लोग आप अच्छा बनिए, अच्छा आदमी आपका पास में आ जाएगा. And build this MOA business. I know that. आप जाके जो the MOA business, and the only option remain for us to change our life and change our loved one's life, and you will be happy with yourself. सबसे बड़ा बात क्या होगा? You will be happy with yourself. If your frustration आ रहा है, some negative आ रहा है, you have to guard yourself. You are your guard and you are your protector. And thank you very much. Again, I am coming with some new thing.